What if I told you buying this watch means you get a free wrist strap? I think this is the first time Oraimo is adding a free wrist strap to its packaging, but correct me if I'm wrong. The Oraimo Watch 6 is Oraimo's latest smartwatch that comes with premium design. The design of the strap attached to the Watch 6 is similar to the Apple Series Ultra 11 strap. Later on in this video, I will show you how to use the strap for beginners. Receiving notification from social media platforms like from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and a lot more is super fast. The screen brightens up for you to see and read notification once they enter. The Oraimo Watch 6 has got a big screen, lasts forever on a charge, and tracks your fitness like a pro. The Oraimo Watch 6 costs around 25,900 naira, but using my discount code GEEKDILINO, you get a 5% discount on any Oraimo product you wish to purchase anytime. It comes in a small packaging. Inside the box, you'll find a welcome guide, Oraimo Watch 6 units, extra silicone watch strap, and a magnetic charging cable. The inclusion of an extra stripe right out of the box adds value and shows attention to user experience. Thanks to Oraimo for listening to us. The magnetic charging cable should make daily charging super convenient. The Watch 6 sports a modern sports design, making it reasonably compact for wristwear. The Oraimo Watch 6 feels premium for its price point. The build combines ABS/BC material with zinc alloy accents, which gives a durable build that should withstand daily use. Now would be a good time for me to tell you to hit that like button so YouTube can recommend this video to more people, and also subscribe if you wish to see more reviews on the next Oraimo products I purchase. The build is lightweight enough for all day wear without the bulky smartwatch fatigue. One standout feature is the anti-scratch panda glass protection over the display, which should help maintain the watch appearance over time. The IP68 waterproof rating adds confidence for sports activities like swimming and exposure to rain or sweat. The inclusion of strap in the packaging is a thoughtful touch, allowing users to switch between different looks and potentially different materials for various occasions. Looks good on me, right? The watch comes with Bluetooth version 5.3, which ensures stable connectivity, and the wireless HD calling feature makes crystal clear calls straight out of your wrist. So if your wife gives you a call while you are in a meeting and you have the watch on your hand, all you just have to do is to pick the call and let her know you are in a meeting. You don't have to reach your pockets for your phone. Notifications for texts, apps, and calls keeps you in the loop, while handy tools like a stopwatch, remote camera shutter, and a phone finder as everyday utility. Now, talking about the display, the 2.04 thin film transistor display is centerpiece of the Watch 6, offering what Oraimo described as vibrant clarity. This screen size is gorgeous for a smartwatch, providing ample space for watch faces, menus, and app interface. The TFT technology should deliver a good color reproduction and readability in various lighting conditions, though the AMOLED display typically offers better contrast and battery efficiency. The watch comes with AI-generated watch faces plus access to over 120 designs through the Oraimo Health app, giving users plenty of customization options to match their styles and mode. The big screen makes it easy for your fingers to tap on the icons without accidentally touching the next icon. The watch has a good outdoor experience when using it with full brightness. I love the Apple View feature on the watch that allows you to enjoy cellular menu, which looks like the Apple Watch app view screen. The watch doesn't support reply on notifications on Android like previously released smartwatch. Talking about battery, if battery anxiety is your nemesis, the Watch 6 is your new best friend. It has a 300 mAh lithium polymer battery that charges fully in just 3 hours via the magnetic charging cable and lasts up to 8 days on normal use or over 30 days on standby. This kind of battery is exceptional for feature-rich smartwatch with less daily plugging, even with heart rate monitoring and calls enabled. In a world of wearable that barely makes it through a day, this endurance lets you charge less and live more as Oraimo. It's a game changer for travelers and forgetful folks like me. Let's talk about the core quality of the smartwatch. Before you can answer calls on the smartwatch, you need to enable it by joining drawing the screen down, tapping on the call icon. The call quality is not the best. The loudspeakers sound flat, and when answering calls from the watch, you need to be audible and close to the mic for receivers to hear you clearly. This review won't be complete without talking about the health and fitness. You get 105 sports mode covering everything from indoor cycling and yoga to outdoor hiking and swimming. Pair that with 24/7 heart rate, blood oxygen, stress and sleep monitoring. The app integration via Oraimo helps pulls it all together for trends and goals, making it easy to track progress without overwhelming the data dumps. It's not medical grade accuracy, in fact, no wearable is, but for casual athletes or wellness tracker, it's more than sufficient. The IP68 waterproof and dust rating means it's sweat and rain ready, so you can push through tough workouts worry free. The Oraimo Watch 6 nails the balance of affordability, durability and do-it-all functionality. At its core, it's built to enhance your day without interrupting it, whether that's tracking a marathon training run or silence notification during a call. Currently, as you can see, I'm wearing the watch, and if you take a look at the watch, you would see that at the back it's not looking nice. It's not looking nice. You can see this is it's coming out. So I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make use of the strap. All right, so you can actually get the best out of it. So to get the best out of it, you can see right here, this is the hook right here. So this is the hook. How do you bring out this hook? To bring out this hook, you press the middle right here. There's a space here. You just have to press it, then you'll be able to bring out the hook. All right, so I'll just do that again gently, then you just drag it. Since mine, I'll just drag it by 2, then I'll just push it in again, then it's in now. Then I'll do it for the second one. I'll push it up a little bit, then it's in. As you can see, so guys, as you can see, the hook is looking nice now. As you can see, it's looking nice, and it's holding this section now. It's holding this section very well. So now as you can see, the watch looks nice on my hand. So that's it, guys, on how to go ahead and make use of the strap. All right, it's a little bit difficult, but once you master it, you'll be able to use the strap. If you're upgrading from a basic tracker or it's your first time trying smartwatches, then grab one. It costs 25,900 naira, and with my discount code GEEKDAILYKNOW, you get a 5% discount when you purchase one. Now tell me in the comment section, what do you love about this smartwatch? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and also give this video a like so YouTube can recommend it to more people. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.